Who would win? The biggest meme in modded Terraria. The weakest weapon in Terraria. Let's find out. Hello Terrarians. I am Elemental. Today I am going to share with you how to insta-kill Ugandan Knuckles in Terraria. Ugandan Knuckles is a secret boss from the AlchemistNPC mod. It has 666,666 health. And can deal up to 1.33 million damage in a single hit. His rapid lasers deal up to 350 damage, making him extremely difficult and time-consuming to defeat. The good news is, a secret way has been revealed to insta-kill this boss. To do this, acquire Pink Guy's armor from any treasure bag after Plantera with a 1% chance. You can either buy treasure bags from the operator NPC, or farm out bosses. Equipping the Pink Guy's armor to kill Moon Lord, you will then get a national Ugandan treasure. Next, buy a water gun from a traveling merchant. Just trust me, okay? Now, use the national Ugandan treasure to summon Knuckles. The rest is super simple. Watch this. Congratulations. Now you can break the game with the weapons from his treasure bag. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, leave a like, share and subscribe.